Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. We were in the chapter divisions, exercise 7.4, page number 93. Let us see question number 8, verbal sums. Few steps are required, chapter division. Okay, page number 93. Number of pencils put in one packet. There is a company of the pencils, suppose. In one packet, they want to put 18 pencils. In one packet, they want to put or pack 18 pencils. Then how many packets can be made with 8,140 pencils? They have 8,140 pencils are there with them. Then how many packets they can prepare or they can made? And how many pencils are still left with them after packing also? Okay, that is, suppose 4 pencils are there with you. Two pencils are under one pack. 2 pencils will be put in one pack. Total 4 pencils are with you. Then how many packets you can made? Total 4 pencils. These 2 pencils in one packet, those 2 are in another packet. First packet, second packet, 2 pencils packed separately and no pencils are left with you. 2 packets are prepared. Like that, if you put 18 pencils in one packet, then how many packets can be made by you with 8,140 pencils? That is our question. Is it with division? Because there are 4 pencils and 2 are one packet, means 4 by 2. If we cancel, 2 will be the quotient, that is 2 packets only. Yes, that in the same way here division with the 18th table. 18 4s are 72 because 18 5s are value bigger than that 81. We cannot. Subtraction is 9 only. Then 4 dropped 94. 18 5s are 90. We all know for that. Then 4 is dropped, that 4 is left, remainder part. Then 0 dropped, last digit 40. 18 2s are 36 and 4 is the remainder. That means 4 pencils are still left without any division part, undivided. And 450 packets, thus 450 packets can be made and 4 pencils are left. Is it clear? When one packet with 18 pencils were packed, this many pencil packets were prepared and 4 pencils are still left. Okay now students, this is the procedure. We will go for 9th. Let us see about it. Question number 9. Here the salary of 24 workers, same method of doing. Salary of 24 workers 61,800 rupees. Then salary of one worker is the question mark. How much is the salary of one worker? Of course, all the workers are with the same salary. That means division only, no? Suppose 2 people are there and 8,000 rupees their salary together. 2 people's salary is 8,000. Then what will be the salary of one worker or one person? That means first person, how much you are going to give, that much only you must give for the second person. That is possible only with the division operation. Okay. So with the 2 table, if you divide that 8,000, in the quotient you will get 4,000. 4,000 to first person, 4,000 to second person. 4,000, 4,000 addition, 8,000. That possible only with the division. Now 24 workers salary given. Find the salary of one worker. Same like example, division only. With 24 we should divide. 24 2s are 48. If I take 3 times, that is more value than 61. Okay. Then 11 minus 8 3, 5 minus 4 1. With borrowing, subtraction only we have completed. Then 8 is dropped 138. 24 5s are 120. If you can multiply in the rough hand, we can do that part. 21, 24, 5s are 120. 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. That 0 dropped 180. 24 7s, 168. We know 8 times we cannot take now. So 10 minus 8 2, 7 minus 6 1 because borrow given. Then last digit 0 dropped 120. For 24 5s are 120 only. Then remainder is 0. Thus the value of the salary of one worker is 2,575 rupees. I hope these things are very clear. We'll go for question number 10 of same model. Let us see, all of you, question 10. Cost of 19 coolers. We are using coolers in the summer season to make our room very cool. Am I correct? So, cost of 19 coolers given as 14,725 rupees. Then cost of one cooler is equal to, same way we have to divide. 14,725 should be divided with 19. So 19 sevens 133. 19 8 jar is bigger value. Okay. 19 8 jar is a bigger value, that is 152 and 147 only there for us. 7 minus 3 4, 4 minus 3 1 and 2 dropped. Again 19 sevens 133 only possible. Now 9 is left with the borrowing, I have subtracted now. Then 5 is dropped 95. 19 5s are 95. Finally we got the remainder 0. Therefore answer gives you 775 rupees. Answer is 775 rupees. This is the value of one cooler or cost of one cooler. That much. Small coolers may be 775 rupees. I hope that all the three sums what I have taught are very clear for you. You have to write in the classwork notebook without any mistakes. Should practice well. Okay students, with other part of teaching, we'll meet in the next teaching part. Okay students, thank you.